Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing Video. Today we are checking out the Realme P3 Ultra, a phone that's packed with some seriously powerful features at an impressive price point. Let's dive right in. So first of all, coming up with the unboxing experience, you get the phone, you get a charging brick, a Type-C cable and a case cover to protect the phone. So finally coming to the design and the build of the phone, right now I am having the color that is known as glowing lunar white. This color has a unique part. During the night time, this phone glows, and this is one of the most prominent USP of the Realme, focusing during the sales of it. As you can see, there is a Realme branding, camera module. On the bottom you get all the important ports. Right side you get the volume key and the power on off button. On the other side you can see the phone has a curved display that really makes it amazing. Now coming to the display part, this phone features a gorgeous 1.5K quad curved display that offers vibrant colors and sharp visuals. What's even better, it's housed in a body that's just 0.738 centimeters slim, giving you a premium lightweight feel without compromising durability. The 6.83-inch tall display size also make it ideal for media consumption and gaming. Well, this phone is marketed around the gaming performance, so directly we should dive into that segment. This phone is packed up with MediaTek Dimensity 8350 Ultra 5G processor, which is designed for those who want lightning fast speed, smooth multitasking and seamless gaming. Thanks to its enhanced AI capabilities and efficient power management, this processor ensures that whether you're gaming, switching apps or streaming, everything runs buttery smooth and without hitting issues. Also, this phone has been certified by the BGMI. Yes, so if you're a heavy BGMI gamer, this phone is perfect for that case. Now coming to the camera part, on that Realme has really improved. For the creators out there, the P3 Ultra brings a 4K 60fps video recording support. This means you can capture your movement in stunning detail with super smooth motion and vibrant colors. On the back, you get a 50 megapixel main sensor and 8 megapixel ultra wide lens. And for selfies, a sharp 60 megapixel front camera is also given. Perfect for both casual and serious photography and videography. On the battery and the charging part, Realme didn't hold back here. With the 6000 mAh battery, you can easily get all-day battery life, even with heavy use. And when you need to charge, the 80-watt fast charging ensures you are back to 100% in no time. Plus, AI bypass charging intelligently manages heat during heavy game session, which means safer and longer-lasting battery health. Now, the durability thing is one of the most prominent nowadays in the smartphone. The IP69 rating means this phone can handle more than just splashes. It's built to survive heavy rain, dust, and rugged conditions. So if you're a little adventurous, this phone's got your back. Also, phone is packed up with a cooling system that helps your phone to last during the gaming. Thanks to the aerospace cooling system, the phone stays cool even during intense gaming or multitasking. No more worrying about overheating when pushing the device to its limit. You also get 8GB RAM paired with 128GB storage on board. That is more than enough for the gaming, multitasking, and saving tons of photos and videos. So in overall way, at the price of rupees 25,000, this phones make a statement for those who are looking a phone that can perform in every segment like gaming, multitasking, and also the camera department. And I can personally say that this phone stands in lots of departments. So if you really want to check out this phone, the links are given in the description. But before leaving the video, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such informative content. See you guys in the next one.